not even spraying it, dude. What in the world? Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we will do some priming. Finally, time has come for the E30 to be primed. My goal today is I want to go ahead and prime the hood, the trunk lid, and the two fenders. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I haven't done this in a while. So for me, it's basically, I think last time I primed was like, or used primer, I think it's been over 10 years, like where I legitimately had a spray gun and primed and painted a car myself. So it has been a while, so do not judge or laugh. I will be basically relearning how to lay down primer. So hopefully it works out okay. That's why I'm starting with the fender and the hood and the trunk lid. See how that goes, and then we'll go from there on priming the whole car. So in this vlog, we will just do those components or those parts. All right, and today also, I have Mark. He's gonna be joining me in this video. He's doing some stuff on his truck, so let's go say hello. Marcus! What's up, buddy? You wanna say hi to everyone?
What's up, guys?
What are you doing today, Mark?
Do some priming.
All right.
A platinum F250 conversion, white bumper.
Oh, nice, nice. So you're gonna make your rear bumper white?
Right.
Oh, nice.
All one color scheme, white and black.
So you're doing your prep work?
Yeah, we might start a channel on its own for this truck. A little bit, you know, like bring my right back. Mark this time.
Nice. All right, Mark. Well, let's get into it. So I'm a BMW inside right now. The fenders are off, as you see. Oh, also, I forgot, I'm gonna prime the sunroof also right here. So I'm gonna take the hood off, of course, so I'm gonna have to tape the car up. And I'm gonna remove the trunk lid also. I'm just gonna set up a couple pallets here, and we're just gonna start spraying it probably in this area. I don't have a paint booth or anything set up, but we're just priming the components, so I'm not too worried about you know, being or dust falling on it, because it's gonna be water sanded. I'm gonna sand it over again before I paint. It's usually, or whenever we will spray the car, we definitely either gonna have to go to a paint booth, or I have to build a paint booth myself here. Well, I can't build a legitimate paint booth, but you know what I'm talking about. Something that we can cover the dust from falling on the clear coat. So that's the important part. That's why you always want to use a paint booth or take it to a professional painter to spray your car. So let's get into this. The trunk lid, I was gonna remove it also and spray it, but I noticed there's a wire coming in through here and I gotta take it all apart. So what I decided, I'm just gonna leave it alone for now. I'm gonna leave it on and probably just spray it with the car, or maybe later on we'll just take it apart. I just don't want to mess with it at this point of time. The fenders are basically ready to go. All I gotta do is use the degreaser to degrease everything, wipe it all nice. I still have to go over with the sanding sponge over the sunroof, you can see, and I still got to remove that bracket right here. This is what I'll be using. I'll be using Nissan primer, Nissan activator. Got my primer gun. I'm gonna assemble it. Got the regulator for pressure. Filters. A small filter here. And the measuring cup, which will be 4:1 mixing ratio. Right here is the section we'll be using. You can see that. So however much primer I put or pour in there, for instance, if I pour 2, then I'll have to add up to 2 of activator. So that's just how I remember I used to do this. And mixing on the primer actually says the mixture ratio. It's right there, the mixing ratio. So it shouldn't be too difficult. So let's go ahead and give this a shot. It goes gun, filter, then the regulator. So it'll be like this. Then we need a quick connect for here. Regulator right now, I set it at 45 psi. See that? So basically, I'm gonna try out the spray pattern on a cardboard over there and see what's gonna happen. But let's go ahead and mix the primer and pour it in here and give it a shot. So if you can see here, I poured primer to 3 and activator to 3 on this mark right here. So 4:1 ratio. Now let's mix it. I'm gonna use a special filter, pour it in here. Yeah, let's do this. Prevent from any, I don't know, any dirt or anything getting in there, so I'm just gonna do that. Excellent. This here. Put this here. Close it with the lid. All right, we're ready to go try it on some cardboard. See, check out the spray pattern, see how it works. Good. What the crap is this? I don't know, let's try it out. Alright, this is what happened when I failed priming, and I'm going to show you why it turned out this way. So this is the primer, and let's go ahead and open it up together. And I mixed it up, thought it was all good, but once I put this in here, check this out. Look at this, it's all goo. Basically up to this point, which you can see about halfway through the can, the primer, I guess the sealer part has hardened, so it turned into this crazy goo. Look at this, nasty. That's weird, because I figured when you open the primer and close it, it'll go into goo, but apparently it's just been sitting around too long. And like I said, I never opened it before, but this is what happened. So that's why I failed miserably in priming this fender and the sunroof cover. So we'll have to resand this all over again and reprime it. And obviously I need to go get some more primer, and let's go ahead and do that in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, make sure to click on that subscribe button for more content, and I got some things coming your way. By the way, I still have the truck that's coming in, so you guys be on the lookout for that. They'll be coming soon to the content or to the channel. We'll do a lot of videos with that. I got a lot of ideas we can do. And if you guys want to see anything or have any questions, please comment below. And we'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Peace out. Viewers, subscribe to my channel to see more of awesomeness. You can also follow me on Facebook and Twitter.